Po končanem šolanju se lahko geostrojnik zaposli ali pa odloči za dodatno usposabljanje v dvoletnem poklicno-tehniškem programu, kjer pridobi naziv geotehnik. Geotehnik po zaključeni poklicni maturi lahko nadaljuje šolanje na enem od mnogih višjih izobraževalnih programov Šolskega centra Velenje, kjer dobi naziv inženirja različnih strok. Možnost izobraževanja ima na visokošolskih strokovnih programih ali pa na univerzitetnem študiju po opravljeni državni maturi. Maturanti rudarske poklicne in tehniške šole, geostrojniki in geotehniki so zelo iskani delavci in med najbolj uspešnimi študenti tehniških poklicev, ki nam dajejo iskane inženirske kadre za gospodarstvo. Geostrojnik in geotehnik, srečno v novem poklicu!
Some people say a man is made out of mud. A poor man is made out of muscle and blood. Muscle and blood, skin and bone. A mind is strong, you know, 16 tons. The money you get, another day older and deeper and then saying, Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can do. I owe my seat to the company store. I was born one morning when the sun didn't shine. I picked up the shovel and walked to the mine. I rode 16 tons. No one I do, let me start off it. That's my Sue, you rode 16 tons. And what do you get? Another day older and deeper and then saying, Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my suit to the company store. If you see me come, you better step aside. A lot of men didn't and a lot of men died. One fist of iron, the other still. If the right one don't get you, then the left one will, you know. 16 tons, and what do you get? Another day older and deeper and then saying, Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can go. I owe my suit to the company store. I was born one morning and it was drizzling rain. A fighting color on my middle name. I was raised in a king brick by an old mama line. You know how to woman make me walk the line. You know, 16 tons, and what do you get? Another day older and deeper and then saying, Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store.